It's been a minute, but I'm back with a new workout video. Here I am with my new jump rope, and I try to get fancy with the one leg, but I'm low-key struggling. I made it happen though. All right, the first exercise is my favorite, the push-up. I gotta do my push-ups first. I don't know why. I think it reminds me of the army days when we used to have to drop down and push the earth. Next, we're going into the same side lunges. I feel like lunges activate all the muscles in your leg, and that's why these are one of my favorites. Got to make sure that back is strong to keep your body nice and stable. So I'm getting into these single arm dumbbell rows, single leg Romanian deadlifts. This is one of my favorites because you get to stretch your hamstring out completely and retract. You already know the curls for the girls. You see how I'm curling right now and I'm not doing all that extra rocking? That's how your curls should look. Use your bicep. This is a different variation of your shoulder press, but this is still for the shoulders. Since I've been driving full time, I'm sitting for extended periods of time, and that can make your hip flexors weak. You don't want your hip flexors to be weak because that can cause problems in your back. So I got some bands, and this is for your hip flexors. All right, lateral raises for your traps and shoulders. Every time I do these, I have Goldberg in mind. Goldberg just had the most insane traps. You can't forget the calves. I see a lot of y'all out there don't be doing y'all calves. You looking crazy out here, and the ladies are laughing at you. Hit your damn calves. Last but not least, crunches for the win. I didn't have my mat with me before, but I brought it this time, so I'm gonna be doing a lot more abs because I need to get them boys back together. You know what I'm saying? I done got a little fat out here, but yeah, these are crunches, and yes, I'm struggling, but I put in my 1% for today. Let's go.